This is a Wisconsin-sized gun collection. There's too many guns to go over each individually, so in this video we're just going to group it all together and just tell you the caliber and gun. A 50 caliber muzzle loader, a Thompson with a 50 round drum, Savage 17 HMR, 22 Cricket Keystone Arms, 1903 A3 Remington from World War II, non-issued. The P17s, 30-06, all three of these are 30-06. These two are the 1917. Garand, 5 of them. Swedish Mausers. Here's a carbine, a target, Swede, and 2 regular 96s. Finish, 9130. A Finish, M1927. 8mm Mausers, these 3, from Yugoslavia. 7mm Mausers. 22 Target, government model, 1985, Kimber. 22 Romania. It's a 303, converted to 308 in India. I think it was manufactured that way. It's a 303 British. There's K31s, 3 of them. This one has a scope bracket I got from Brownells. More Swiss guns. This is a carbine, 1911. And here's 3. This is a 9611, these two. This is a regular 1911 full-size rifle. 338 Lapua, AR-30. Turkish Mausers, 8mm. This is 7mm Mauser. Savage. Target, 6.5 284. 460 Weatherby Magnum. 9130s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This black one was butchered up by me. I painted it black, put a scope on there. This one here is a reproduction PU scope, laminated stock. There's a 20 gauge back in the corner. Swords. M38. M44 Polish. M44 and M44 Russian. Romanian SKS. Chinese SKS. Romanian SKS. Oh, I got that wrong. Romanian with a 20 round Chinese mag and the Chinese SKS. PSL 6.762 by 54R Russian. Finnish target rifles model 2876, 2 of them. 4570 Buffalo Classic H&R. 308, 22 250, and a 223 Ruger M77 targets. Mossberg 270 hunting rifle. That's my main hunting rifle. Bushmaster 223 varmint rig. A C15. Wasser 10. Model 60 Marlin 22. A butchered up, sporterized P17. 30-06. 30 carbine, 4570 H&R, 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum H&R, single shot, 44 Magnum, lever Rossi, 3030 Marlin, 336 model. These are M39s from Finland. All those. Right over here is a AR 50 with a loophole 8.5 to 25 scope. And behind the cameraman is the gun collection of just handguns. There's 5 BFRs in this case, a 500 Smith & Wesson, a 44, a 45, a 357, 475 Wildy, 10mm Kimber, 7.62 Nagant, 357, 44, 44 Walker, 45 Colt Uberti, 18-inch, Taurus 24/7, Desert Eagle 50 Action Express, Phoenix Arms 22, a 22 in North American Arms, a 38 Special, 9mm Beretta, and 45 1911. That's it. If you want more details, we'll be doing them in smaller groups later.